Good morning students. I hope you are watching the video and completing your homework. In the last PDF I have given you the in-text question that you might have completed. So we are doing animal tissue. Animal tissue is of four types. Already we have discussed, that is epithelial tissue, connective tissue and muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Among that, epithelial tissue, connective tissue and muscular tissue we have completed. Today we will do Today we will study nervous tissue. So nervous tissue is a tissue which is specialized in reception, integration and transmission of stimuli or impulse to various parts of the body. The ability to respond to stimuli is present in all living cells. Nervous system is devoid of a matrix. Matrix already you have studied, that in connective tissue it is made up of either the liquid or jelly-like or hard matrix is there. Its cells are surrounded by special connective tissue cells. Individual cells of nervous tissue are called the nerve cell or neuron. They are the longest cell of the body, reaching up to a meter in length. So children, this nervous tissue plays an important role. It carries the messages from the sense organ to the brain and from the brain to the different sense organ. And this, when we will study about the structure of the neuron, you will come to know that how it helps to conduct. And stimuli or impulse means the messages that is being carried by the this nervous tissue or the neuron from the sense organ to the different part of the from the sense organ to the brain or from the brain to the different part of the body. Now neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system, or you can say that it is the structural or the functional unit. So each neuron is made up of two parts, that is the cell body and neurite. Cell body is a polygonal, broader and nucleated part of neuron. Cell body has all type of structure but centriole is absent. Its cytoplasm is called neuroplasm. So cell body is similar to that of the cell that we are studying. It also contains the cytoplasm, but here this cytoplasm is known as the neuroplasm. Neurites are of two types, that is the dendrites and axon. So children, neuron is having the two parts, that is the cell body and neurite. Cell body is the main body of the neuron, and neurite contain the two part, that is the dendrite and axon. Now see the structure of this. This is the cell body and this is the neurite, or we can say that the dendrite and axon collectively known as the neurite. So here this is the cell body. See, the nucleus can be seen. This is the axon, this is the dendrite, and you will find that the sheath which cover the axon is known as the myelin sheath. Okay, so this covering is known as the myelin sheath, and here you are finding this knots are there. See, this gap is there. These gaps are known as the knots of Ranvier. Okay, so this is the knots of Ranvier, and this part is known as this thin lining is known as the axon, and the covering is known as the myelin sheath, and dendrite used to carry the messages. So this diagram you draw in your copy. Now dendrites. Dendrites are small tapering branched protoplasmic outgrowth of cell body. The large dendrite is also called the dendron. Dendrites pick up impulses and transmit the same towards the cytone. So the function of dendrite is to carry the impulse and then transmit it to the cytone. Cytone is the cell body. Next is axon. Axon is a long fiber like process of uniform thickness that generally arises singly from the cell body of a neuron. Just now I have shown you in the diagram that this axon is covered with a sheath known as the myelin sheath, and there you will find that the knots are there, and that is known as the knots of Ranvier. Now function of nervous tissue. This tissue pick up the sensation of all types like sight, sound, smell, taste, etc. It exerts control over all the body activity. Most of our body activities are performed through combination of nervous and muscular tissue. So I hope you must have understood this topic. And today we have completed this tissue chapter also, plant tissue and animal tissue. In text question also you have completed. So be prepared for the test, that upcoming test, that you might be knowing that the test is there, periodic test is there. So prepare for the test well. All the best for the examinations. And whatever the homework is being given, complete it. Today's homework is to draw the diagram and write the function of the nervous tissue. Thank you.